welcome to the Pani Puri stall. Govinda ka Pani Puri. So basically you see we have mixed all the ingredients here. It is including गेहूं का आटा and suji, other than police wali suji, and we are using this oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. It is helpful in many ways. This oil, like it reduces inflammation, it helps in rheumatoid arthritis. It is having omega-3 fatty acids and it reduces bad cholesterol and increases your good cholesterol. So if you are having Govinda ka Pani Puri, you will be having several health benefits as well. And this is prepared very hygienically. Since we are preparing for ourselves, so we are not using the gloves because we can eat our own skin dead cells. Okay, it's not problem. And Pavitra has prepared this Pani Puri ka pani. Still there is something missing, that is called imli, tartaric. So we are preparing somewhere else the tartaric, and we have put fresh lime as well in this water. And this you can see we have not mixed any kind of artificial flavor or any kind of artificial color. This color which you can see is totally natural, made with the coriander and the mint, okay, and some other Indian spices. And what is this? Yeah, so I am preparing now puchka, cutting this because I can't prepare all of them in single. I need to learn. This is very beginning. So now I have cut it, and okay, so nice, good shape. Okay, so in one go it will go in the boiling oil, that is also extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. So let's do it. एक एक पूरी करेगी, दो कर लेना.
Actually, you need to give a slight pressure on top of the puri so that it.
दोनों पे दे सकती है.
See how beautiful it's coming. You can.
Okay, so let me taste it. Crunchy. It's crunchy because we have made it. And here is some aloo. Then mix it well, stir, and then put in here how much ever you wish. Then have it. Really good. थोड़ा सा नमक कम है, salt we will add it. Okay. And now take it like this. मजा आ गया.
So let me taste this. After a long time, I'm gonna have golgappe. I wish I should accommodate this in my mouth.
That is funny to see. देखते हैं आंखें कब खुलती हैं.
It's really good.
Really good.
Really
no?
good.
Spicy.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
दिल गलती कर बैठा है, गलती कर बैठा है.
That is when you have the ulcers. भैया मीठा पानी देना.
भैया
How are you feeling?
if you have mouth Elsa's. Please don't try this in your home.
Only for professionals. These stunts.
मजा आ गया.
Okay.
खाओ.
Finished. खाऊं क्या? So when we start the food, we are really disabled and kids friendly. So your kids will not get disappointed. You can see we have made different kind of pani puris for the kids, which can fit into their mouth. And also, not only kids, people who have gutka and all the other things, they also have a small mouth, so they can't open like this. It's friendly for them as well. So small puri
Please introduce the name of the puri.
is bacha puri.
Really good.
Okay, so it's really friendly. You put little bit, don't put much water into it, because people and the people I mentioned who are having gutka and all, and the kid, they can't hold the much spices. Okay, so little bit this deep, and so some of the drawbacks which we have learned in this time is we should fry the pani puri, the puri actually, very well till this gets to the dark brown color. Otherwise it gets really, what you can say,
Thick, and the batter has to be really thick.
thick, yeah,
In the corners especially, otherwise it will not.
get swollen. This kind of, it should be this thing, okay, this color, not the other colors, okay. And this type of color is really crunchy. It is for a long time crunchy, okay. Otherwise the other puri is not that crunchy, but this is very crunchy. So this is one thing. Then other thing, the size also matters when you are getting this fried. And another thing, this pani water is really tasty, it is giving almost the same taste,
And please
not the
don't
same.
add any chaat or any sort of artificial colors. So that's obviously gonna make you unhealthy. It's just mint, coriander, jeera, chili, and imli. That's it. Don't add any other artificial, masalas which you get in the shops.
No colors, no artificial flavors, and no masalas. If you want to make chaat masala, make it home. Look for some videos online, make it home. And another thing, what I was saying, yeah, the taste is not really that kind, because we have prepared it very hygienically. So when you have it outside, they scratch their butts in between. They scratch.
Pavitra didn't scratch her butt.
Yeah, Pavitra didn't scratch, and I too didn't scratch in between. So it is not that tasty. Obviously, it will not. It will not be that tasty. I remember one instance when I was working in Delhi. So our office colleagues used to go outside and come in late nights, okay, from the flights. So what happened one fine night, two of them, they came from the flight, and they were really hungry. They were not offered anything from the flight. So outside there were no many stalls for food. So when they came near to their room, there was one food stall like this roadside. It was only open, so they ordered the Chinese noodles, and they had it. And next day they told us it was really tasty. They never had this kind of noodles, okay. So one day they survived. Next day both of them did not come. Then we asked them what happened. Then both of them had food poisoning, having severe loose motions, okay. So the food, not necessarily, but if you are having these kind of things and you are not sure about the hygiene, and if it is really tasty, question it, okay, question it. So it is really better than the market food. Okay, next time we'll make sure that okay this thing, but this thing can be used for dahi puri and another variants of that. We'll make that one also. Smoothie strawberry.
This is squash.
This is squash.
Cranberry squash.